Okay. There's the product that I'm using that I just installed. Have you guys ever had the problem, and I know you have, give me a second, where you go somewhere and your stabilizer gets all bent and tweaked, right? That's bent. I know I'm reiterating, but so instead of it looking like that, use this product. And what it is you turn that into this. And then what you do is, let me do this. I'm doing it with one hand, so sorry about that. I know you guys are gonna get the idea. And you take the part and take that stabilizer. It's got a plate on the top, if you can tell. And this has a little slot that it sits in. So put that side in. Put that in. And you just slide it in. There you go. Slides in like that. And then, oh, let me get these cotter pins. Sorry about that, everybody. Then yeah, put the cotter pin in. Put sorry. Put the cotter pin in. And you go ahead and lower your stabilizer. It ain't gonna go nowhere. I mean, when you put it down, you're gonna be good. Go from that to this. And then when you leave, pull your cotter pins, slide your jack out, and that's all you're left with. Tons of clearance. Hope it helps. I recommend it. I'll probably do a follow-up video with a review after this first trip from Memorial Day. See how it works. I'm sure it'll work fine. All right, thanks for watching.